Argos orders 1 pair of Ray-Ban glasses from Taobao.
Sinyao sorts the pieces and bring it to the distribution center for export. Sinyao labels the piece and add it to the booking with the other pieces. Air Waybill is issued for international transportation. Sinyao will send the pieces to the bounded export warehouse and the GHA will scan them. Submission for custom inspection. Make ICS-2 filing to customs of destination airport. Destination customs send back response. At this stage, the airline knows that the pieces have been reported to origin airport customs. However, we need to know the customs response to identify if the piece is allowed to fly or not. So there is another response from customs. NC03 gives the final destination customs assessment response, which could be good to go, provide additional information, or do not load. The challenge is that the NC03 message can take time to be received. As a result, the business practice is that the GHA will start loading when he has the MRN/RC01 message. The problem is if the NC03 says do not load, the GHA needs to know in which ULD this particular piece has been loaded. One day in the land of champions. A band of weird ones thought of a solution. What if we use one record to convert all data into logistic objects to increase efficiency? Introducing K-ARGOS. Argos is a giant from the Greek mythology with 100 eyes. K-ARGOS is a web-based application for which we have enabled 3 key principles.
Identify if the data are on sanction lists, forbidden for transport, or could potentially be an undeclared data.
Identify the number of ULD needed per Air Waybill and generate a safety alert if the total weight exceeds the maximum weight from the airline cargo handling safety manual.
K-ARGOS provides a universal search engine which can be used irrespective of the data point. For example, a buyer could be using his own name, a logistic player a tracking number, a GHA a ULD number, and an airline a flight or...
This is our K-ARGOS web application. For compliance, we just upload an e-commerce preload CSV file. PANDORA Intelligence APIs are used for risk inspection analysis, where we are able to put low, medium, and high risk levels. For this example, for the laptop, it was found out that a barbershop is sending a laptop, which is not normal. And for the caps declared, it was found out that it is used for a grenade in the military, which is why this is considered as a high risk. In all of this table and UI behind the scenes, we have created a one record data logistics object and logistics actions for the piece, shipment, waybill, loading, logistics actions, and the ULD loading unit. K-ARGOS identifies the number of ULD needed per Air Waybill and assigns the parcel pieces to their ULDs. The idea is to group all pieces with higher inspection risks into the same ULD. So we calculate ULD assignment by 2 factors, the risk inspection analysis and the weight limit per ULD.
The K-ARGOS dashboard highlights the products that are more likely to be rejected by the customs based on the country's regulations. It also has a log of the recently uploaded e-commerce ICS2 files that contains the list of parcel information on a master Air Waybill. It also provides the insights on the percentage of parcel in a certain MAWB that fall within the risk level for low, medium, and high risk. The ULDs are also tagged with risk level to load parcel items to their corresponding ULD, and for efficient loading in case it will be rejected by the customs. The number of parcels by category of risk level is also presented for certain MAWB. The user can search the tracking number, commodity, description, and the shipper name to identify the mapping in which the ULD item was loaded through the embedded Niwan Play. For this case, the item banana was loaded into the ULD for low risk items.
K-ARGOS also integrated a track and trace functionality, allowing users to determine the history of the items, aiding investigations when customs authorities deem it necessary to scrutinize these goods. So here is a list of the history of this certain AWB.
In conclusion, one record will enable collaboration beyond our ecosystem and will help to improve the competitiveness of our industry. With K-ARGOS, you can upload load search, which can help in making airlines to be more dynamic in powering global trade more efficiently. Stop using your computer like a typewriter and let's fully embrace the power of one record.